All right, we got this Buick in today. Customer complaint was check engine light was on. We scanned it. It has a cat coat. So I came under here. It looks like the catalytic converter has already been replaced on this one. It also looks like someone welded in a flex pipe at some point, and it's actually leaking from the flex pipe right here. And the O2 sensor that reads whether or not the catalytic converter is working properly is up here. So if there's an exhaust leak anywhere before that, it can throw off the reading. So what I'm gonna do is undo the exhaust here. It's also leaking from here. So I'm gonna kind of cut the flange off here. Once I've cut that off and I can drop the exhaust down, I'll try to re-weld the flex pipe here and then weld here. If you need any exhaust work done, call this number or come to 700 York Road, Guelph.